Swoop was a young green sea turtle who floated up to a boat ramp in New Smyrna Beach 1 month ago. With tumors making it hard to swim and gas in his body making him float, Swoop could have easily been killed from a boat strike. Or he could have died from not being able to dive and find food. The closest facility offering treatment for Swoop's tumor-growing virus, called fibropapillomatosis, or FP, was 2 hours away. Catherine Eastman has worked with sea turtles since 1998, and she says the trip lowers turtles' chances of survival.
We're 200 miles away, and being a mostly volunteer network, that's a long way to ask somebody to drive.
Eastman says the closest sea turtle centers to St. Augustine are 2 hours north in Georgia and 1 hour south in Daytona. But because FP is contagious, they could not accept the sick turtles. Rules that prevent diseases from spreading also prevented turtles from getting treatment.
There's rules with transporting animals, endangered species, over state lines. So we could bring a rehab animal over to Georgia Sea Turtle Center, but we couldn't bring one with the FP tumors.
So Eastman and other volunteers raised money from a private donor and the University of Florida Foundation to start a hospital in Marineland.
That was something that motivated me to get involved, because I was seeing it as being someone working on the nesting beaches and encountering turtles sick and injured.
Help for Swoop and other sea turtles is not so far away anymore. The new hospital at Whitney Laboratory means treatment for FP and other ailments.
Some very well-intentioned, dedicated sea turtle conservationists got together and said, hey, we've got this problem. We have these turtles that are sick and they need to be driven really far to rehab hospitals, and we need one here.
External FP tumors make it hard to swim and find food, but internal tumors can be life-threatening. Turtles with FP need help as soon as possible, so volunteer patrols raised money for the hospital. Jessica Long, Director of Development at Whitney Lab, said the hospital would not be here without donations from the community.
It's really been key community members and a couple of major donors who have helped us.
The main goal of the hospital is to treat and cure sick and injured sea turtles. Treating and researching FP was another goal.
Hoping to make some more headway on, how understanding a lot about the disease, which there's a lot known, but there's still a lot more unknown.
In the month the hospital has been open, it has taken in several turtles with FP. Caregivers take samples and draw blood for scientists at Whitney Lab to research. But most of the treatment so far has been ordinary care, like treating surface wounds, infections, doing physicals, and providing good nutrition.
Since we have our first patients here, it's been a lot of husbandry work, so improving their quality of life with medications and good nutrition.
Swoop is still at the hospital, but is slowly getting better. He will soon be strong enough to survive surgery to remove the tumors. Eastman says she's happy the hospital she helped create will help researchers find a cure for FP and treat generations of sea turtles in the future.
I'm really pleased with how it turned out. I'm pleased with how it evolved.